Let me show you how to get started with an amazing amount of plugins in the Claude Desktop environment to supercharge your working experience with this tool. So what you're going to do in the Claude Desktop environment would be come into Cowork, not Chat. Go to Cowork, click on Customize. And below, you're going to click on Browse Plugins. Just click on that. And here, you're going to want to go to Personal. So click on Personal. And there are several options. You can do local uploads, or you can click the plus button right here. So go ahead and click on that plus button and add Marketplace. So click on that. Now it gives you the access to add to Marketplace. But what Marketplace do you add? This is where it gets interesting. So you're going to go over to a new tab. You can either use the AI Ready U, link to all of this in the description, or you can go to the AI Ready U site. Just scroll down on the site for the setup, and you want to click on Claude, and you want to click on Desktop. So this desktop setup is right here. This is the repo you want to paste. This repo name is exactly the same as this GitHub repo. So exact same name. It might be easier for you to just copy this from here, go back over, paste that in, and click on sync. And it takes a few seconds for this to walk through. And just like that, you should have a set of plugins available in here. Again, this does take a few seconds. If you don't see it immediately, that's okay. It takes a few seconds for this to sync. And what I would do would be to simply just hang on and wait. And now we have a series of plugins available for the different domains of your life. Most people are using AI to create chatbots, they're using AI to play video games, they're using AI to write or create apps. But what about using AI for your life? Think about using AI to optimize your career. Think about using AI for understand your insurance coverage and gaps and the different domains that might be important to you. AI Ready Live allows you to do just that. And these are the plugins that are installed. So in here, let's take insurance as an example. So imagine having an understanding of your insurance. Are there gaps? Just click on that, click on install. And with one click, you now have a series of skills for understanding your insurance position. So in here, obviously, you're going to want to talk to a professional for things like this, but just having a rudimentary understanding is a good start. Here would be a review of your insurance premiums and coverage and gaps. In here, you would have you shopping for insurance and wanting to get some advice on that. So just a tremendous amount of skills to get you started. Now, once you have this installed, how can you take advantage of this within the Claude experience? So here we're going to go back over to the chat experience within Cowork. There are several ways to do this. You can hit on the plus commands, go over to, you can hit on that, go to plugins, insurance plugins now shows up, and the list of skills are all available here. So do your ops review. So maybe on the monthly basis, you want to review insurance, or you want to review your wealth, or you want to review your taxes. Simply select that skill. Now put in your prompt. Just type in your prompt in here on review my insurance as an example. This particular skill is intelligent enough to know that there is a location on your folder called the vault. And if you haven't watched the vault, I've made some videos around that. You will grab the vault packet. Essentially, you're going to want to grab the vault packet, depending on if you're using Mac or you use the Windows. Just save your data, your actual data. So in this case, if you're dealing with insurance, you're going to have an insurance folder in here with the data relevant for that. You might have to download it from your emails, from websites, and wherever you have that. Store that once. Now in the vault, once you run this skill, it will use some of the most powerful models we have on Earth today, some of the most powerful intelligence we have to help you get insights on your insurance. And that's how you do this for the Claude Desktop experience. So again, if you want to follow along, links to all of this will be in the description. AI Ready U dev site, putting AI for work, not for building startups, not for building apps, not for building games, but for helping you be ready optimizing your life for the change that's coming. So as always, thanks for watching. This is Fro here with AI Ready Youth and Fro Dev. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share this with somebody that might get value out of it. I will see you in the next demo.